Oh, so my dudes, this is Callahan. I'm here representing Wilmington Early College High School. And today, we're going to be going over Microsoft Access, and more specifically, Microsoft Access queries. Now, queries are a very useful feature. I'm going to get into the elaborate details later, but for the most part, all you have to know is that you have to really think about what you mean when you're talking about queries, because queries, what they do is they help you design and grow and expand your database in Access. So let's go right in. So I got this example, sales rep table. Now this isn't a very good example, but it's an example nonetheless. Usually, if this queries are used, if you have an extensive database, say like, it goes on for like, you have 15 columns and 5 billion rows, you have like all this information and data. What you want to do is, I'm just going to go into here, you're going to create query. Now query is synonymous with question, and when you prompt this, it immediately opens a dialog box choosing which of these tables that you want to modify and adjust using the query. So here we have doctors, products, sales rep, and samples given. I'm just going to use doctors because that's the one that we're at. And then with this, you can start to change things. So I'm just going to just have one doctors. Let's start with, let's see the last name. So if you drop this field into here, you can change things and go about it. And if you look into the property sheet, you can look at the lookup, display control, and you can change all those. Which is really, really cool. And if you minimize this and go to the navigation pane and open this back up, you're back at it. So let's rename this query. Go to query view. Hold on. Now let's save this query. Now let's name it doctor's last names. Oops, sorry. Hit that caps lock key. Whoops. Boom. Boom. Look at the sales, the tables. We have a new thing. We expanded our database. And this just organizes everything and helps you look at everything. You can see everyone's names. It helps with organization. So I could, just for an example, let's go to this one, products. Let's open up this one. Alright, so here we go. Let's go by dosage. So if you just want to quickly make one, you can go to design view. Oh yeah. So you go to create, query design, products, and then dosage. Oh, okay. Close this out first. And then dosage. You put it in that field and it'll add it to there, and you can change the sort. You can do it like by ascending or descending or not sorted at all. Criteria, you can add, if it's numbers, you can add different dates and stuff here. And this OR just leaves the gates open for endless possibilities. Now if you want to delete this query, but I'm actually going to save it first. Save it as dosage amounts for patients of the hospital where attending. Okay. Now if you want to delete, just get rid of some of this. Right. If you want to delete some of these things, it's actually kind of easy. Like that. All you have to do is right click, close, without saving it, and then you say no. Actually, don't want that. Then you say no. So you can go over all these things, for creating wizards, and you can actually make pretty elaborate ones and make them look nice. But those are more along the lines of forms and stuff. But yeah, that in a nutshell is what queries are used for. It's just navigating your huge, large, extensive databases much easier. So thank you for watching. This has been Callahan Stack from Wilmington Early College. Thank you for watching this.